Hey friends, welcome to video number 2 related to personality development. In my last video, I spoke about what is exactly personality, how to define personality. Now, in this video, we are going to deal with the important determinants of personality. See, when we are talking about our own personality, definitely there are certain factors influencing everyone's personality. How is our personality made? So these are certain factors which make your personality. Very first important determinant of everyone's personality is when we are talking about heredity. Now basically when you are talking that the parents are short, obviously the child also will be short. Parents have fair complexion, then child will also have fair complexion. Parents with curly hair, child will also have curly hair. Of course, when I am talking about these hereditary factors, there may be certain exemptions, but then definitely closely the child is resembling to parents only. So hereditary factors influence our personality. So generally you might have heard the sentence also, as the father so is the son, as the mother so is the son, so is the daughter, so on and so forth, which says that we are greatly influenced by our hereditary factors. The second important determinant of our personality is when we are talking about environment. Now we learn a lot from environment. Every minute a human being is learning and observing the environment very keenly. For example, if our environment is healthy, we also grow up with healthy values. If the environment is not very healthy, we also have that kind of low moral, low kind of discouraging kind of attitude towards the things. So environment is very important. If the environment is very motivating, we also try to grow up with that kind of motivating attitude towards the things. Then the third determinant of personality is when we are talking about situation. As the situation, so is our personality. We may be a single personality basically by nature, but when the situation demands us to have something different, then we just try to have that kind of personality. Let me give you an example over here. For example, basically a person can be assertive minded. Assertive is positive and logical minded. But if at all the situation is very bad, he or she may behave in an aggressive way. So a same person who is actually assertive is behaving in an aggressive way. This is because the situation demanded in such a way. So we are all influenced and impacted by the situations, and we have to cope up with and deal with all those stressful and difficult situations also. So that's the reason I have said that important determinant of personality is also a situation. Then the fourth factor which is influencing our personality is culture. Now when I am talking about culture, let me tell you friends that culture is something which is not developed in a day or two. It takes years and years together to develop some kind of culture. Basically a culture is passed from one generation to another generation. So culture is how is your family behaving. Say for example, if at all your family is having the culture to follow the traditional values, every day morning offering the prayers before the meal, after the meal, something like that, we also develop that kind of personality. We also start our day by praying, offering prayers to God. If at all our culture is having this kind of dressing, if I am belonging to Maharashtrian culture, of course then my dressing will be influenced by the Maharashtrian culture. If at all I am belonging to Gujarati culture, then my values, my dressing system, everything will be belonging to that particular culture. So culture is something which is very influential factor under our personality. Coming to the next determinant or next factor which influences our personality is something which is related to family and social background. Now friends, you might have heard this kind of sentence that when a child is growing up, at that time, mother becomes the first teacher of that child. Father is the second teacher. The whole family plays very important role in molding one's personality. When we say mother is the first teacher of child, obviously whatever values our mother is giving us, we imbibe those values, and it is often said that whatever personality a child is developing till the age of 7 years, that will remain with us lifelong. So family is something which is very important factor. Children who are growing up in joint family, they have different values. Children who are growing up in nuclear families, they may have different set of values. So family is very important factor in changing your personality. Also, when we are talking about social background, now what do I exactly mean by social background? Is your financial status or something like that. Obviously, a child coming from BMC school or municipality school will have different set of values from the child who is coming from international board school like Cambridge or Oxford school. So social background is also a very important factor in molding one's personality. And finally, when we are talking about peer pressure, what do we mean by peer pressure? Peer means people who are belonging to our same age group. If I am a teenager, obviously my friends will be teenagers. If I am a middle-aged person, obviously my friends will be middle-aged person. And obviously a human being is getting impacted more from his own age group other than anyone else. So peer pressure is when we are getting impacted by our friends, our friend circle. Often it happens that we human beings are getting diverted easily towards negative values. Say for example, if someone is smoking and other friend of that person is not smoking, this friend will compel him or her to do that, and obviously under the brain system he will try to imitate him. So it is very important for every one of us to have wonderful self-control over oneself. And obviously if the peer pressure is going towards the positive side, learn along with me, study along with me, enhance your personality along with me, that can be in the positive way. But if the peer pressure says something negative, then definitely we must have self-control. So these are the different determinants of our personality. Hope you have understood this, and we will learn more about personality development in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.